Base 44 versus Replit. Which AI app builder should you choose? Two platforms, one goal. Build apps faster with AI. Today we're comparing Base 44 and Replit so you can choose the right tool for your next project. Whether you're coding from scratch or describing your dream app in plain English. Now let's start with Base 44. This platform is built for speed and simplicity. You describe your app in natural language and Base 44 generates a full stack application with backend database and UI. Among its key features include AI-powered app generation from prompts, built-in auth, analytics, payments, and hosting, visual editor for workflows and UI tweaks, and GitHub integration and team collaboration tools. It is perfect for startups, product teams, and non-coders who want to launch fast. Now let's look at Replit. This browser-based IDE is built for developers who want flexibility, collaboration, and AI-assisted coding. Replit offers Ghostwriter AI for code generation and debugging, support for 50 plus languages including Python, JS, and C Sharp, real-time multiplayer coding and live collaboration, and one-click deployments with auto-scaling and PostgreSQL hosting. It's ideal for indie builders, learners, and dev teams who want full control. So which one's better? Use Base 44 if you want to describe your app and launch it fast. No coding required. Use Replit if you want to build hands-on, collaborate in real time, and scale with full control. Many creators use both Base 44 for prototyping and Replit for production.